Alright, we're gonna start every video with alright guys. Nah. Anyway, here we go. I don't know how to do any housework, but YouTube shows you how to do it. So I looked up a couple YouTube videos, and this is my laundry room. I had a leak, very bad leak as you can tell. So I started cutting away, started taking it apart because I found the replacement piece at Home Depot for 10 bucks, so I figured why not? Let's try it out. So here I am cutting away with the razor blade, and here we go. I was only going to cut out this little piece, but there's more damage than I thought. So I should have probably changed out the wood pieces as well, but I wasn't going to take it that far. So I took out the light, and here comes the other big part, the other big piece. Don't worry about the Route 666 shirt, it was a misprint, should have been Route 66. Yeah right. So here we go, and bam, the other part came out one whole piece. Perfect. Yeah, there I am dancing. So now I'm taking out all the screws as I was told to through all the YouTube videos that I watched. So taking out all the screws and the nails, making sure all of that was okay. Please wear a duster mask like I am, because that stuff will fall in your face, up your nose. Alright, here we go. So now I've bought the other piece from Home Depot. I had to cut it in half, and it was actually perfect fit. So it worked out perfectly. I had my cousin help me out and hold it up while I screwed it in, and then bam! Then I messed up big time because I did not call him, or I did call him, he just didn't hear me for the second piece here, and I held it with my head. Biggest mistake, because for the next 2-3 weeks I had the craziest neck pains. So yeah, just take the time to get some help, because you're not Superman and you know, you hurt yourself. So I got it all up there, easy peasy. Well, not really, you know, but it's there. Then I bought some Fast 20 Light drywall mixture, and I mixed it up. I had this from a previous patching job that I did, so it was good that I already had all this stuff, so bam. And then I just start patching away. Patching all the screws, all the grooves, cracks, whatever you want to call them. Just get it in there before 20 minutes, or else, you gotta mix again. So I did this twice, and then I selected the color purple from Home Depot because I found it inside of the Oops paint section. So if you go to Home Depot and you ever pass by the paint section, there's a Oops paint where they mess up on an order, and you can get a gallon of paint for 9 bucks like I did. Here we go with this Hulk purple, and it came out pretty good. And see, this time I asked for some help with my cousin, and you know what, it took a long time, I'm not gonna lie, but it worked out, because if it wasn't for him, you know, it'd still be there running out. I'm gonna try to find some photos to show you the aftermath, but I think I did well for not even knowing how to work on a ceiling. I'm out.